Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome, friends. Today's video is dedicated to the new school at home or homeschool moms for the 2021 school year. Now, if you're anything like me, you're wondering what am I going to be anticipating? How is the kids' day going to go? How am I going to keep things organized? That was me 5 years ago when we started the school at home schedule that we have. Now, my son never went to an actual brick and mortar school, but he started a virtual academy, and that is a charter school, which is a public school, in kindergarten. So I was able to start at the early stages when mistakes were not as detrimental. And along the way, I developed a few techniques to keep our home life organized and his school routine structured. And so I wanted to share that with you in the hopes of being able to give you a few tools to start the school year off with. Now, what you see here on my desk is a planner. It does not matter what planner you use, but I recommend you get one. I use the Happy Planner because, and I'll show you, it allows you to break your day into three. They have they have about three different layouts, but this particular layout, this is what you see each week. You have Monday through Sunday, which I don't understand why they don't have Sunday through Saturday, but that's neither here nor there. But the week starts on Monday, and as you can see, there's a bright spot at the top. This is what they call, I think, the horizontal layout. I think vertical layout. It's a vertical layout. And you can basically put your tasks in a column. What I do is I break each day into three parts. Now, as you can see here, the top part is got the clipboard, and these are just stamps that I have in my own stash. The top part is where I would put my son's classes. So as like last week, his classes went up here. They had testing last week, and so he didn't have a full class schedule, but his testing or his classes will go up here. Below that will be things that are related to our home-based business. It's really not home-based. I manage the business at home. So I'm a homeschool mom or school at home mom and a work from home mom. So I have to make sure that I can see in a day's at a glance what's going to happen in school, what I need to do as it pertains to the family business, as well as the things that I need to do for the evening, when school lets out and the businesses are closed, and if you will, chores and laundry and groceries, and also a little spot for dinner. Now, I'm going to bring this down a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is what I deal with each day and each week. On Sunday nights, I'll pull the planner out, do all the stamping. Now, there is a such thing called a planner community here on YouTube, as well as Instagram and Facebook. Those communities have sub-communities, little niche communities. You may have entrepreneur planner communities, or work from home mom communities, or stay at home, or school at home, or homeschool. It's just a variety of different communities within the planner community that you can get involved in if you want to, say, I don't know, pretty up your planner or buddy up with someone to keep you task oriented, or accountable to your tasks. I am not a member of that, but I do watch a couple of different channels that are planner related. One is the Brown Mom Experience, and she's such a sweet girl and very bubbly, wonderful personality. She's a mom, I believe, of 4, married, and she also has a few items that she promotes of her own, and she has a business. I believe she has a coaching business. Again, that's the Brown Mom Experience, and I'll drop a link below to that. And then there's also a company called Scrapcraftastic. She's here on YouTube. She also has her own Etsy shop as well as her own website. I believe she has an Etsy shop. And I'll drop a link below to both of those YouTube channels so that you can go and explore if that's something that you're interested in. But again, just to start off with, what you want to make sure that you have is a planner that will accommodate your day-to-day life, because it's very difficult to remember doctor's appointments, what assignment is due, which class is being switched or canceled, what assignment was turned in. And if you're taking care of an elderly parent like I am, you need to make sure that you have little reminders for that, shopping lists, doctor's appointments. And if you work from home, you want to remember to send out invoices, call them and collect on those outstanding invoices. Who do you need to schedule for an estimate or coaching or anything of that nature? So I just wanted to provide you with a tool that can encourage you to organize your day, structure it, starting off the school year, being organized, and creating a plan to succeed. Because if you're not planning to succeed, you are by default what? Planning to fail. So while I know this was not a crafty video, I just wanted to pop on and share this little tool with you. Again, this is a happy planner. I am not an affiliate. I am not sponsoring it, promoting it, or anything of that nature. I'm just sharing with you what I use, because let me tell you, I do not rely on memory for anything. If it's not written down, it ain't getting done. Okay? That's kind of the rule here. And I also wanted to encourage you, if you're new to the homeschool venture, you can do it. Kids are very resilient. They adapt well to change. Maybe we don't so much in our age, but kids adapt well to change. And if you start the school year off with positive thoughts and positive reinforcement and encouraging words with them, you'll notice that it carries on. And so we start our week off with a prayer, and quite often our morning routines incorporate a short prayer, maybe a little bit of worship music. I don't know, whatever your religious beliefs are, start your day off with something positive, because you're going to need it. There are going to be days where it's trying, they're long, you're tested, they're tired, you're tired, and you just are praying for the strength to get through the day. I'm here to tell you, you can do it. I am a mother of one child. I am a bereaved mother with a bunch of paranoia, not a whole bunch, but the average amount of paranoia, raising a child up in the wake of losing a child. So if I can do it without pulling out every hair naturally black or gray, you can do it too. I know you can do it. Now, if you are starting a homeschool journey this year, you're new to it, or you're picking back up where you left off in the spring when COVID hit, and you're going to be doing it again 2021, drop a comment below. Let me know maybe what state you're in or what grade your kid is in, and let's kind of get the conversation started as to how we can continue to encourage one another throughout this year, because, we need all the encouragement and support we can get, and why not do it amongst one another here, So anyways, guys, as I tell our crafting community, until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting, but stay organized. You stay organized. And if you are not, and if you're not a parent of a homeschool kid for this year, and you know someone who is, feel free to share this video with them. They may very well be searching for some resources, and I'm more than happy to share the wealth, share whatever knowledge I have. And so that being said, guys, take care. Don't forget to wear your masks, wash your hands, check in on your elderly, and check in on a neighbor. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.